Third All Goa School Level Quiz Competition Goan Masterminds by कोकणी भाषा मंडळ रवींद्र केळेकार ज्ञान मंदिर मडगांव. आम्ही आज इतिहासीक जनमत कौल दीस मनयतात आणि ह्या जनमत कौल दिसा निमतान तिसरी आवृत्ती ह्या प्रश्नमाची सर्तीची हांगा आमी घडोवन हाडटात. आमच्या हांगा म्हाका सुमार 117 टीम्स हॅड पार्टिसिपेट 117 टीम्स हॅड पार्टिसिपेटेड. आउट ऑफ दोज 117 टीम्स वी हॅड सिलेक्टेड द बेस्ट 25 आउट ऑफ द प्रिलिमिनरी राउंड, of which 21 turned up today, 22 turned up today. From those 22 we selected the best 11 and we had semi-final of only 10 teams. So we know which teams have qualified from the first and the second semi-final, but the team that had scored the highest number of points in the quarter-finals, they will be occupying one more spot since we have 5 slots in the semi-final. The team that scored the most in prelims as well as in the quarter-finals, that is the team from the New Educational Institute, Kurchara. It's the first team to qualify for the finals. Next, based on the qualification scenario of the semi-finals, we have KB Hegdewar, Dr. KB Hegdewar, Vidya Mandir, Sakali. Dr. KB Hegdewar, High School, Kujira, Shauri and Dhruv. Batikar Model High School, KB Hegdewar, Dr. KB Hegdewar, High School, Kujira, Sneha and Avnish. And that completes our lineup for the final round today. Okay, so finals, we call it A to Z. The questions will be from A to Z of Goa. So how the format works is, the answer to question A starts with the letter alphabet A. Answer to B starts with the alphabet B, and we continue this till we have these 26 questions played out. A to Z format. No pounds, no passes. The round will be on buzzer. So the question will be shown. Okay, Mohit, show the question. Question will be shown. You need to press the buzzer in order to claim your chance to answer. The moment any team presses buzzer, the question would disappear. The moment you press the buzzer, the question will disappear, so you do not have the time to think after you press the buzzer. So if you have not read the question and if you have pressed the buzzer, then you'll have to give me the answer till the time I show the question. And if in case no team goes for the question on the buzzer, then I will put it on a pass via infinite bounds. Okay, there is no bounds. There is a pass only if no team gets it on the buzzer. The moment you press the buzzer, the question will disappear.
Negative marking.
So for every correct answer, you get plus 10. For every incorrect answer on the buzzer, you get minus 10. Passing will be plus 10. If you buzz, you get plus 10. Answer correctly plus 10. Answer if you give a wrong answer, incorrect answer, half answer, minus 10. And if no one gets it on the buzzer, no one goes for the buzzer, and if I put it on pass, then it will be for plus 10. Okay, we're all ready.
Team Jack Sikar is
KB
Hegdewar, High School.
Now Dhruv and Shauri.
Dr. KB Hegdewar, Vidya Mandir, Sakali. Vignesh and Shreyansh.
Vignesh, Shreyansh.
Batikar Model High School, Margao.
Vignesh, Shreyansh.
Batikar
Model High School, New Educational Institute.
NEI.
Names.
KB
Hegdewar, Kujira. Sneha and Avnish.
We have question A open for all teams on buzzer. Here is question A. Name the cricketer from Goa's 2024 Ranji squad. Dr. Team 2.
Arjun Tendulkar.
Arjun Tendulkar is correct answer. Plus 10 to team Purushottam Kakodkar. Next question. Question B. It began with the goal of trading Supari, areca nuts from Goa. It has since.
Bagaitdar.
Wait for me to identify who has pressed the buzzer. plus 10 to Purushottam Kakodkar. But if you answer out of turn, I will have to give you minus 10, okay? So wait for me to identify. Bagaidar Bazaar was the correct answer. Suraj, can we have, Mohit, can we have the question? It began with the goal of trading supari from Goa. It has since grown into chain of supermarket across Goa, offering everything from groceries to trendy saris. What is the name of the supermarket chain? That was the answer expected. Bagaidar Bazaar is the correct answer. Question C. Identify this musician, composer, singer, songwriter and film producer. Team? 4. Team 4. Shabu Desai.
Chris Perry.
Chris Perry plus 10. Team Shabu Desai. Team 4. Shabu Desai plus 10. Question D. What is the name of this team? 2.
Dudhsagar.
Dudhsagar is correct, plus 10 to team 2, Purushottam Kakodkar. Question E. Founded by the government of Goa in 2004, what is the name of the first team? Team 2.
Entertainment Society of Goa.
Entertainment Society of Goa, correct answer, plus 10 to team Purushottam Kakodkar. So you have to be quick on the buzzer because one team is getting it all quickly. Not that you don't know the answer, but you're not quick enough. So you have to be quick on the buzzer. Question F. Where is this?
3.
Team 3.
Shantadurga Kunkolikarin temple.
Where is that temple? Answer from
Fatarpa.
Fatarpa is the correct answer. Shantadurga Kunkolikarin temple, Fatarpa. Plus 10 to team 3, Victoria Fernandez. Question G. Over 19,000 families, farmer families benefit from
Goa Dairy.
Goa Dairy is the correct answer. Plus 10 to team Purushottam Kakodkar. Team 2.
No, you only plus.
Just before pointing out that answer.
So taga minus little then kaitalini. So let him say. So madadra. Team. Question H. Open to all teams. Started the Chitrangi Melave conferences for young female writers, was part of Konkani language agitation and movement for Goa statehood in 1985 and has published over 100 books and journals in Konkani under her publication house Apurbai Prakashan. Answer starts with the letter H. I want name of a person who started Chitrangi Melave, which were the conferences for young female writers, was part of Konkani language agitation and the movement for Goa statehood in 1985 and has also published over 100 books and journals under her publication house Apurbai Prakashan. Her, so a female whose name starts with the letter H. Nobody is going for it? No one's on the buzzer? Team Ullas Buyao, we will pass counterclockwise. Team Ullas Buyao, pass. Shabu Desai.
Pass.
Pass. Victoria Fernandez.
Hema Sardesai.
Hema Sardesai is not the correct answer. Purushottam Kakodkar. Pass. Dr. Jack Siger. Pass. Why did you all pass? There were no negatives in this. H. Hema Naik is the correct answer. So no team gets points for question H. Next question, question I. Identify the chess prodigy. 5. Identify this chess prodigy. That is all I had said. Ullas Buyao, Team Ullas Buyao, you have pressed the buzzer. I need an answer that starts with the letter I. Minus 10 to Team 5, Ullas Buyao. Question passes to Team Shabu Desai.
Ivana Furtado.
Ivana Furtado is the correct answer. Plus 10 to team Shabu Desai. Ivana Furtado was the absolute correct answer. Question J. Question can appear any moment. J is a song from 2000's Kokani album Nasha Tuji, written by Sridhar Kamath, composed by Ashok Patki and sung by Sadhna Sargam and Swapnil. The music video featuring Sobita Kurtadkar and Shubhankar Khandeparkar was released by Palash Agni Studios in August 2023. Name of a song starts with the letter J, is from album of 2000's Nasha Tuji. The song is written by Sridhar Kamath, composed by Ashok Patki, sung by Sadhna Sargam and Swapnil Banodkar. In August 2023, Palash Agni Studios released a music video of this song. No team going for it? Victoria Fernandez, since they had answered the last question. Zai is not the correct answer. Pushottam Kakur.
Jiva Macha.
Not the correct answer. Jack Sikher. Pass. Ullas Bhuyan. Pass. Shabu Desai.
Zayo Zuyo.
Zayo Zuyo is the not the correct answer. Jinechi Rani. Anybody in the audience who could sing the song? Huh? Jinechi Rani was the correct answer. Next question. Question K. All hands on the buzzer. Which organization, founded in September 1962, operated from 49B Erasmo Carvalho Street before being shifted to a larger campus on the outskirts of Margao? That is a stamp of that organization. We have blanked out the name of the organization starting with the letter K. Operated from this address, 49B Erasmo Carvalho Street, Margao, Goa 403601. Which organization is this? No one's on the buzzer? Victoria Fernandez.
Karo.
Is not the correct answer. Purushottam Kakodkar.
Hospicio.
Hospicio. Starts with K. Jack Sikher.
Mark. M-A-R-G. Mark.
K-Mark. K-pop asते K-Mark. It starts with the letter M. Ullas Bhuyan. Ullas Bhuyan. Team Ullas Bhuyan. Pass. Shabu Desai.
Crisscross.
Crisscross with a K. K. Kokani Bhasha Mandal. Kokani Bhasha Mandal was the correct answer. Next question. Question L. All hands again on the buzzer. Every generation of people of 4. Shabu Desai.
Lairai.
You had not even question. You had not even read the question. You pressed the buzzer without reading the question. I will have to give you plus 10 for this. Lairai was the correct answer we were looking for. Mohit, question. Because let's not waste question. Audiences should also know. Every generation of the people of Asolna, Veli and Kukuli have grown up with the belief that Goddess Shantadurga of Faturpa is the sister of Saude Saibin of the Church of Our Lady of Health in Kukuli. Similarly, which Hindu deity is believed to be the sister of Milagres Saibin, which is Our Lady of Milagres at Mapsa? Correct answer was Lairai. So this shows Syamka दाखवून देता कि quizzing is not only about rote learning, not blatant memorizing. It is about rational thinking, lateral thinking, predicting what is the question and what could be the probable answer. A very good answer by team Shabu Desai. Plus 10 to team 4 Shabu Desai. Question M. In 1917, the Portuguese divided Salsette Taluka to create new Mormugao Taluka for better administrative control over which trade organization operating there? Team 2.
Mormugao Port Trust.
Mormugao Port is the correct answer. Plus 10 to team 2 Purushottam Kakodkar. And we are halfway through, so we will have these scores before we move on to the next question. So at the halfway stage, and this is the only round of the finals by the way, so we have 13 more questions to go. At halfway stage we have team 1, that is Jack Siker. They have not yet opened their account. We have team 5 who have got a -10, Ullas Buyam. We have team 3, Victoria Fernandez at 10. Team 4, the New Educational Institute, which is Shabu Desai at 30. And team 2, Purushottam Kakodkar, that is KB Hedgewar Vidya Mandir at 60 points. So can we have a good round of applause for the halfway stage? They are just jealous of you all that you can get the answers so quickly and they could not. That's why they are not clapping. Still long way to go. We are just done with 13 questions, easy 13 questions. Now comes the tricky part of it. So we wanted you all to guess, do the guesswork, get into the action, and then we have some baits for you. Question N. What is the name of village that hosts packs of N?
Nagoa.
Which team was it? 3. Again,
Nagoa.
I had not identified. It could have not gone your way. So please wait for me. If you have pressed the buzzer, the chance will come to you. Okay, again I am repeating it for the 3rd time. All the other teams, please be careful. You don't want to lose your 10 points. +10 to Victoria Fernandez. Team 3, Nagoa was the correct answer. Home to Fransapex, which was a 3rd division team which now plays in the Goa Pro League and was at the 4th position when I last checked the Goa Pro League standing for this year, for this season. That's great. Next question. Question O. Identify the 2023 Konkani film based on this plot synopsis. Kone?
Osmitai.
Osmitai is the correct answer. 2023 Konkani film with the plot synopsis. +10 to team Shabu Desai. A young man goes on a journey to discover his true identity and learns about the captivating history of Konkani language, including its challenges, foreign invasions and exodus. Osmitai, produced by Maan Shobhan Productions of Mangalore. Next question, question P. Who was the head of Goa unit of Congress Party who used his personal connections? Team 2.
Purushottam Kakodkar.
+10 Purushottam Kakodkar. Purushottam Kakodkar is the correct answer. +10 to teams 2. Next question, question Q. Name this 2018 Konkani film. 4.
Questão de Copasa.
Questão de Confusão, +10 to team Shabu Desai. Questão de Confusão was the correct answer. Question R. To which socialist team? 3.
Ram Manohar Lohia.
Ram Manohar Lohia. To which socialist leader is this monument dedicated? Correct answer is Ram Manohar Lohia. +10 to team Victoria Fernandez. And let us have the look at scores one more time. Team 1 still at 0, Team 2 at 70, Team 3 at 30, and Team 4 at 50, Team 5 still at -10. How many alphabets left?
S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
How many alphabets left?
8.
8 alphabets. 8 alphabets, 80 points. Answer all 8 and then you win. Question S. Name this Indian fathers. 2.
Sonia Shirsat.
Sonia Shirsat is the correct answer. +10 to team 2 Purushottam Kakodkar. P. Sarvanakumar won gold medal. Team 2.
Taekwondo.
Taekwondo is the correct answer. +10. P. Sarvanakumar and his brother P. Anand won, these brothers hailing from Fonda won gold and silver medal respectively at the 37 national games. I needed a name of the sport for which they won the medals. Question U. Name the Konkani Fortnightly magazine published. Team 5.
उत्तेजन.
-10. -10 to team Ullas Puyang. So the question, open question. Name the Konkani Fortnightly magazine published in Kannada script by Deepa Trust for Diocese of Udupi. There is one more part. This magazine lights up about 15,000 Konkani speaking households in Udupi district as well as Mumbai and UAE. Magazine that lights up, Konkani magazine published in Kannada script by Deepa Trust. Shabu Desai.
Pass.
Pass. Victoria Fernandez. Pass.
Ujjwal. Ujjwal.
Not the correct answer. Jack Siger.
Pass.
Pass. Anybody? Ujwad. It's Ujwad, not Ujjwal. Ujwad. Konkani magazine. Ujwad was the correct answer. No team gets points on this question. -10 to team Ullas Puyang, team 5. Next question, question V. What is the name of Konkani short story collection? 4.
Varsal.
Varsal is the correct answer. Name of Konkani short story collection by Dr. Prakash Parekar that won the Sahitya Academy Award for Next question, question W. Good. Question. In June 2023, which Goa-based sustainable team? 4.
Wakao Foods.
Wakao Foods is the correct answer. Which Goa-based, Mohit, stay on the question. Which Goa-based sustainable food brand made the largest ever plant-based meat export from India to the United States? Wakao Foods was the correct answer. Question X. Along with Nanda Lake, which other lake in Kepe Taluka has been declared as a wetland under Wetland Conservation Management Rules 2017 by the state government? A lake in Kepe Taluka starting with the letter X was declared as a wetland along with Nanda Lake, which is also in Kepe Taluka. Try and guess the names of places in Kepe Taluka that start with the letter X, and you could be close to the answer because the answer starts with X.
4.
Team 4.
Sherwana.
-10. It is not Sherwana. Keep the question. Okay. Along with Nanda Lake, question passes to Victoria Fernandez.
Sheldon.
+10. It was Sheldon, not Sherwana. Sheldon Lake was also notified as a wetland along with Nanda Lake. Team 3, Victoria Fernandez, gets a +10. Question Y. Nivedita Chandroji, Sanjay Kuttikar, Anvesha Singhbal, Dashrath Naik, Anand Bambolkar, Valency Carmelin D'Souza are the 2023-24 recipients of which award given by Directorate of Art and Culture, Goa? Name of the award starts with the letter Y. These are the latest recipient of this award at a ceremony held very recently. Nivedita Chandroji for drama, Sanjay Kuttikar for folk art, Dashrath Naik for music, Anvesha Singhbal for literature, Anand Kamat Bambolkar for fine arts and drama, Valency Carmelin D'Souza for theatre. I want the name of the award which is given by Directorate of Art and Culture starting with the letter Y. No team is going for it? No team? Purushottam Kakodkar, your answer, since they had answered the last.
Pass.
खबर असल्या पहिली बजर मारता आशिल्ल्यानी. Dr. Jack Siger. No idea. Ullas Puyang.
युवा कलाकार.
Yuva Kalakar. Good guess, but not the correct answer. Shabu Desai.
युवा कला पुरस्कार.
Yuva Kala Puraskar. No, not Yuva Kala Puraskar. Victoria Fernandez. No, pass. Yuva Srujan Puraskar. We have an awardee of Yuva Srujan Puraskar in the house, Anvesha Singhbal. Yuva Srujan Puraskar was the correct answer. And the final
Sorry.
Question
Okay.
of this quiz. Last question. Question that will answer that will start with the letter Z. What is the name of the village located at the foothills of Wageri Peak? 2.
Zarme.
Zarme is the correct answer. Plus 10 to team 2 Purushottam Kakodkar. And we come to the end of the final round, which was an A to Z format. Very competitive. Since the questions were also very easy, it was very competitive. You only had to predict what could come next. And after a nice
Good try.
set of quizzing, we have the top 3 teams. So first of all, let us have a huge round of applause for these 5 teams for having qualified into the top 25 from 117. From top 25 they qualified to the 11, and from 11 they came to top 15. So I mean the 5th standing team in this quiz would be 5th among 117 teams. So that itself is a remarkable achievement. So at 5th position we have team Ullas Buyao, that is Sneh and Avnish from KB Hedgewar High School, Kujira. At 4th place we have team Jack Sikera, again KB Hedgewar High School, Dhruv and Shaurya from Kujira. With 40 points we have the team from Bhatikar Model High School at the 3rd position. At 2nd position we have the team from New Educational Institute with 60 points. And the winners of the 3rd edition of Goan Masterminds, organized by Ravindra Kelkar Jnana Mandir, are team Purushottam Kakodkar, that is Vignesh and Shriyansh. Vignesh and Shriyansh from KB Hedgewar Vidya Mandir, Sakli, with 100 points. Thank you everyone. It was a good set of experience that even I had as a quiz master. I did not expect you all to get answers so quickly, so that itself shows that you have prepared well for this quiz. Many congratulations, and hope we have learnt a lot. And this is just the beginning of learning more about Goa and knowing more about this beautiful state we have, which would not have been possible. We would not have been a state had not it been for opinion poll. Janmat कौल जाऊन आशिल्लो जाल्यार आमी संघ प्रदेश उरनाशिल्ले, we would have been a part of Maharashtra, and there itself we would have lost the dream of attaining complete statehood. So it is a very good opportunity that we get on this day, the opinion poll day. आणि हांव दिनवासता रवींद्र केळकार ज्ञान मंदिर स्कुलाची मॅनेजमेंट, तांचे टीचर्स, तशेंच द students, the participants who came all the way from all nooks and corners of Goa to participate in this quiz, all those who answered the online prelims as well. Congratulations to one and everybody. Thank you.
पुलिस वाटे गोवन मास्टरमाइंडची क्विज जाली, ताचो इनाम वाटप सोहळा हांगा जाता. काँग्रेस बीजेपी सदस्य तुमी ही इनामां भेटोवची. 117 एंट्रीज आयिल्ल्यो, तातूंतले 46 स्कूल पार्टिसिपेट जाल्ले आनी 117 एंट्री आयिल्ल्यो. आनी तातूंतल्यान आमी 25 क्वार्टर फायनल्स काडिल्ले. ताजे उपरांत 11 सेमी फायनलिस्ट आनी उपरांत 5 फायनलिस्ट अशें लिस्ट आसा. ताजे पयलीं सेमी फायनलाक जे पाविल्ले, जे मुखार वचपाक पावले ना, ताचे खातीर खास भोवमान भेट आमी हांगा दितात. एक भुरगो हांगा येवचो आनी ही भोवमान भेट तुमी स्विकारची. पयले सुवातेर एजे आल्मेदा फोंडा अथर्व पै म्हाका हांगा मातशें येवचें. ताजे उपरांत प्रल्हाद जयंत कवळेकर म्हाका टीम हांगा बेगिनात बेगीन मातशें येवची. त्यार फुडली सुवातेर आसतले इशिका नायक आनी अनन्या नायक, विद्या विकास अकॅडमी मारगांव. एजे आल्मेदा फोंड्या, अर्थव पै आनी प्रल्हाद जयंत कवळेकर. फुडली सुवातेर आसा इशिका नायक आनी अनन्या नायक, विद्या विकास अकॅडमी मारगांव. युधान सामारी गोरल पेडणेकर हे आसात भाटीकर मॉडेल हायस्कूल मडगांव वखदां आनी मातशें दिवचें. युधान सामारी आनी गोरल पेडणेकर. त्या फुडें सुवातेर आसात स्वेन फेर्नांडीस आनी दिविना मास्कारेनस सेंट झेवियर्स हायस्कूल वेळी वखदां तांचे नांवां मातशें दिवचें. स्वेन फेर्नांडीस आणि दिविना मास्कारेनस. ताजे उपरांत आसा स्वेन फेर्नांडीस आणि दिविना मास्कारेनस. उपरांत आसा मिशेल पेरेरा आणि दृष्टी नायक सेंट एंड्रूज स्कूल वास्को. ताजे उपरांत मिशेल पेरेरा आणि दृष्टी नायक. ताजे उपरांत आसा स्वयं लाड आणि श्लोक नाडकर्णी सर्वोदय एड्युकेशन सोसायटी कुडचडे वखदां आनी मातशें दिवचें. आणि फायनली ज्यो 5 टिमी पाविल्ल्यो तांकां 5 इनामां आसात. तातूंत भितर 5व्या प्लेसीर आसा डॉक्टर के.बी. हेडगेवार हायस्कूल कुजिरा श्रेय सिनारी जुवारकर. फिफ्थ प्लेसी खातीर डॉक्टर के.बी. हेडगेवार हायस्कूल कुजिरा स्नेह सिनारी जुवारकर आणि अवनीश सावंत वखदां आनी मातशें दिवचें आनी हें इनाम स्विकारचें. चौथ्या प्लेसीर आसा डॉक्टर के.बी. हेडगेवार हायस्कूल कुजिरा परत शौर्य सावंत आणि ध्रुव महाजन वखदां आनी मातशें दिवचें आनी हें इनाम स्विकारचें. गोवन मास्टर मंडळाची तिसरी सुवात फावो जाला. थर्ड प्लेस भाटीकर मॉडेल हायस्कूल मडगांव अर्पित देसाय आणि डेव्हिड बार्स वखदां आनी मातशें दिवचें आनी हें इनाम तुमी स्विकारचें. भाटीकर मॉडेल हायस्कूल. या सर्तीचे दुसरे इनाम वता न्यू एड्युकेशन इन्स्टिट्यूट कुडचडे शिवेन करमली आणि राजस्व नायक वखदां आनी मातशें दिवचें आनी इनाम वचचें. न्यू एड्युकेशन शिवेन करमली आणि राजस्व नाईक परत तांकां मेळटात जोरान ताळयो घेवन दुसरे सुवातेर. आनी ह्या सर्तीचे पयले इनाम फर्स्ट प्लेस गोवन मास्टर माइंडचे वता डॉक्टर के.बी. हेडगेवार विद्यामंदिर साखळे विघ्नेश शेटये आणि श्रेयांश देसाय वखदां आनी मातशें दिवचें आनी हे पयले इनाम गोवन मास्टर माइंड्स तुमी स्विकारचें. डॉक्टर के.बी. हेडगेवार विद्यामंदिर साखळे हे जैतिवंत गोवन मास्टर माइंड तांचे विद्यार्थी विघ्नेश शेट्टी आणि श्रेयांश देसाय हांची टीम गोवन मास्टर माइंड्स ह्या वर्साक जिखल्यात. तांकां खूब खूब परबी भेटयता. सगळे विनर्स तशेंच पार्टिसिपंट सगळ्यांक परत एकदा परबी भेटयता. कार्यावळ हांगा चोखता सगळ्या मानेस्तांक परत एकदा देव बरें करूं. खूब खूब देव बरें करूं.